How do you have a successful, difficult conversation about someone lying? Well, I'm going to tell you just how to do that in today's top tip. The way to make a difficult conversation about what you perceive to be a lie successful is by bringing the evidence to light. And so my top tip is use evidence to show the mismatch between what you're seeing and what the other person is saying. Typically, when we perceive a lie or mixed messages, we're talking about two different views of something, two different interpretations. So your evidence might be the actions or lack of actions that were taken, the conversations, what different parties have said. It could take many different forms, but what you want to do is bring those pieces of evidence to light. It helps highlight where there's an issue and lets the other person correct the understanding, or it highlights that really there is a lie going on. But it's got to be founded in as concrete evidence as you can find, and that can be conversations, events, actions. It's a tough conversation to have, but if you do, give it a go and let me know. And if you've got a question for me, then you can ask me at ukheadsup.com/ask Sonia. Remember, you can sign up to get these tips in your inbox every week at ukheadsup.com/headsuptv.